If you're looking to disable automatic restrictions on your Coinbase account, follow these straightforward steps to manage your settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the settings menu. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen, represented by your profile icon or a gear icon. Step 3. Access security settings. In the settings menu, find the section labeled Security or Security Settings. Click on it to view your account's security features. Step 4. Adjust automatic restrictions. Look for options related to automatic restrictions or transaction limits. You may find settings that allow you to disable or modify these restrictions. Follow the prompts to make your desired changes. Step 5. Save changes and log out. After adjusting the settings, ensure you save any changes made. Once done, log out of your account to secure your settings. By following these steps, you can manage and disable automatic restrictions on your Coinbase account. Always remember to keep your account secure and monitor your settings regularly.